What if I told you the next Bugatti doesn't just replace the Chiron, it completely rewrites what a hypercar can be? Meet the Bugatti Tourbillon, a machine so advanced, so insanely engineered, that many people are already calling it the new king of hypercars. But the crazy part? Bugatti didn't follow the EV trend. They created something far more emotional. Under the hood, the Tourbillon brings back something almost extinct in today's automotive world, a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine developed with Cosworth. It's just pure mechanical madness, producing an unforgettable experience every single time you hit the throttle. And when combined with 3 electric motors, this hybrid monster delivers around 1,800 horsepower. That means brutal acceleration, instant torque, and a top speed expected to exceed 275 miles per hour. But Bugatti says this car was never built just for numbers. It was engineered to feel timeless, emotional, and mechanical in an era dominated by screens and software. And honestly, that philosophy is visible everywhere. Inside the Tourbillon, Bugatti completely rejected oversized digital interiors. Instead, they created one of the most beautiful driver-focused cabins ever made. The instrument cluster was inspired by Swiss luxury watchmaking, featuring real mechanical components designed to last for decades. Even the dashboard technology is hidden away when not needed, giving the cabin a cleaner and more elegant look. This is something most modern supercars are forgetting. Real luxury is not about adding bigger screens, it's about creating an experience that still feels special 20 years later. But the engineering gets even crazier. The chassis is lighter and more advanced than before thanks to a new carbon composite structure. The battery pack is integrated directly into the car for better weight distribution and handling. Bugatti also improved aerodynamics massively, helping the Tourbillon stay stable at extreme speeds while still looking elegant instead of overly aggressive. And unlike many hybrid hypercars, this one can actually drive in full electric mode for shorter distances, making it surprisingly usable in daily situations. That balance between raw power and modern efficiency is exactly what makes the Tourbillon feel like the future without losing the soul of a true hypercar. Another huge innovation is how Bugatti designed the car for longevity. CEO Mate Rimac explained that they wanted the Tourbillon to remain beautiful and relevant even decades from now. That's why the design avoids trendy styling and focuses more on timeless proportions, precision engineering, and emotional connection. And visually? This thing looks unreal. The iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille remains, but the body is now sharper, lower, and more futuristic. The lighting signature is ultra-modern, the aerodynamic channels are cleaner, and every line on the car has a purpose. It doesn't look like a concept car anymore, it looks like the next era of hypercars has officially arrived. But here's the biggest question, can anything actually compete with this? Because the Tourbillon isn't trying to be just another fast car. It's trying to become an automotive legend. A machine that combines old-school emotion with next-generation technology better than almost anything we've ever seen before. And honestly, after looking at what Bugatti created here, the hypercar world may never be the same again.